Oh, you little bastard. How many of y'all know this game? Tons of fun, right? That's the new one's in. That's the big hole in my car. So that's where that goes. It's supposed to be there. Disconnected it from the hinges, took the electrical apart, brought it out, laid it on the table so I could get that stuff cleaned up. Got those all drilled out, popped off. New bushings, new pins. It's ready. Now I gotta rehang this door. No more door sag. Yay! Happy Black Friday to you guys, and what's better way to celebrate Black Friday than with the black on black GT. Got the door pins and bushings in, got the fenders aligned out where they were all bowed. Now we got a really nice body line. That's it. Got the headlights adjusted, all wired in, plugged up. Driver's side was really bad. That door was hanging nasty. Now we got a good line here. Got to do some paint touch-ups, but expect that. Also a good line here, and the best part, door opens. Look at that, buddy. So I've got another door panel I'm going to put on it because of the tearing, especially right there, like that there. Make it as nice as the passenger one. And also I'm excited to say, for the first time it drove since I've had it. It drove where you see it right here. LX taillights are swapped in and wired up. That's pretty sweet. And then on to the next. So the next is the 1998 Saleen, number 169 in 98. About to stick a quarter panel on the driver's side of this monster. No rest for the wicked. Back to work. Guys, have a great day. Don't get mugged in the stores, huh?